What is blockchain? Blockchain technology is a way of recording and storing information in a secure and decentralized manner. It is a digital ledger of transactions that is maintained and updated by a network of computers rather than a single centralized authority. Think of it like a digital ledger that keeps track of all the transactions made in a certain network. Each time a transaction is made, a block is added to the end of the ledger and a record of that transaction is stored on it. This block is then linked to the previous block in the chain, hence the name blockchain. How does it work? In a blockchain network, transactions are verified by a group of computers called nodes. When a transaction is made, it is broadcasted to the entire network, and the nodes work together to validate the transaction and add it to the next block in the chain. Once a block is added to the chain, it is extremely difficult to alter or tamper with the information stored on it. This is because every block in the chain contains a unique code called a hash that is generated based on the information stored in the previous block. If someone tries to alter the information stored in one block, it will change the hash of that block, making it easily noticeable by the other nodes in the network. Benefits of blockchain technology. One of the key benefits of blockchain technology is its security. Because it is decentralized and each block in the chain is linked to the previous one, it is extremely difficult for anyone to tamper with the information stored on it. Another benefit is transparency. In a blockchain network, all transactions are recorded and stored on the ledger for everyone to see. This makes it easy for anyone to view the history of transactions and verify that they are accurate. Finally, blockchain technology also has the potential to increase efficiency and reduce costs. By eliminating the need for intermediaries such as banks in transactions, blockchain technology can speed up the process and reduce the fee associated with traditional transactions. Applications of blockchain technology. Blockchain technology has a wide range of potential applications. It can be used in finance, healthcare, supply chain management, and even voting. For example, in finance, blockchain technology can be used to make cross-border transactions faster, cheaper, and more secure. In healthcare, it can be used to securely store and share patient information. In supply chain management, it can be used to track the movement of goods and ensure their authenticity. Conclusively speaking, blockchain technology is a revolutionary way of storing and recording information that has the potential to transform many industries. By providing a secure and transparent ledger of transactions, it has the potential to increase efficiency, reduce costs, and increase trust in the digital world. Whether it will live up to its potential remains to be seen, but it is a technology that is worth paying attention to in the coming years.